Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to begin by making the TV discoverable and the sending device ready. First, make sure the LG TV's screen share or AirPlay is turned on and the TV is connected to Wi-Fi. On your phone or PC, also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so discovery is fast. Once done, open the TV's screen share or home dashboard and leave it on the screen where it can accept a connection. This is necessary so your device can find and pair to the TV. Now you'll start the actual mirror from the sending device. If you're on Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast or Smart View. On Windows, open Action Center, select Project, then connect to a wireless display and pick the LG TV. For iPhone or iPad, swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then select your LG TV. When the TV prompts for approval or shows a pairing code, confirm it on the TV so the devices complete the handshake and begin streaming your screen. Finish by checking the picture and sound. On your phone or PC, adjust resolution, orientation, or volume to match the TV's display. You can stop mirroring from the device's cast/screen mirroring control or from the TV's screen share menu when you're done. If the screen is lagging, drops, or the TV won't appear, restart both devices. Confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi band too. 4 versus 5 GHz, and reattempt pairing. This resolves most common connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.